Right, hey guys, I've been asked by Dave Wood, Colonel Chimp, to do a few little instructional videos for the 603 Weymouth Army Cadets, just to show them a few little things to do while they're stuck inside in the classroom if the weather's bad, just to give them a few little instructional videos. So here we have a wood pigeon. I assume you have wood pigeons out in Nova Scotia. So very distinctive feathers. There's his feathers there, so big distinctive there, and you've got like a petrol kind of colour on the back of the neck there. So these are wood pigeons, live in a woodland, eating woodland stuff. I wouldn't eat a feral pigeon like ones you'd find in a city centre, because they're going to taste like McDonald's and fag butts. Okay, so I'm going to show you a really simple way of getting the breast off of this and checking it without using a knife at all, just with my hands. Okay, so we're going to start off with the wing. So you grab it down at the bottom of the wing there. So let me step forward a bit. Yeah, we good there? Mm-hmm. Right, so we grab hold of it, and then all you do is twist. Keep twisting, twist, twist, twist. There goes the wing. Okay, we do the same with the other one. There goes the wing. Right, so now we reach down and we take the head off, like that. There goes the head. Now the inside here is a crop sack, so you can see what he's been eating. Right, so if you see lots of like blue corn in there, it means he's been eating rat poison. So obviously you won't want to eat him. Or if there's any kind of poisonous berries or anything you can identify. In here there's just some gunge, there's some leaves and stuff, nothing special. Okay, so that's that done. Like that. Okay, so all we've got, no wings, just got the legs, the tail, and this is the breast meat here. So we're going to force down a thumb into the throat cavity like this, and then just pull it apart. Right, now we'll open it out like that. Now we can see the liver laying there, so there's no big white marks in the liver. It's not full of any kind of nasty parasites. There's no worms or maggots in there. We'll have a look at his stomach. His stomach looks okay. So this is a healthy bird, right? So that's important if it's something we're going to eat. Okay, so now we've got the back of the breastplate here. We're going to grab it and roll it forward like that. There you go, one breasted pigeon. So then all you've got to do is get your fingers in there and tear the breast meat away, and that's one breast fillet. So no knives at all, just with your bare hands, and then we can put a little bit of oil in a pan and fry it off. So that is how you do it. Cheers guys. Into the pan, you always lay it away from you. There you go. Long base, pigeon breast, all right. Yep, that's nicely cooked. So normally in a restaurant you would cook pigeon so it's pink, but here in the woods where we don't want to get food poisoning, yeah, we'll cook it so it's nicely sort of medium rare. Still a bit of blood in that one, that'll be fine. That's good. That's good there. Mr. Preston.
His head's in the way.
Your head is in the way. Preston, sit. Alright, nice. Sit. Got Preston's approval.
Look, can't see any dogs there now, so.
Yeah, check it out. Right.
Roddy.
You want to try a bit, Chris?
Yeah, but very, very nice, that. Ooh.
You got a well cooked bit.
Yes, well, yeah.
Real nice.
Try a little bit of that. Can't say I've tried pigeon. Smells a bit like.
It's beef, it's
like
very,
beef.
very beefy, yeah.
Yeah. It's like beef. Not really different. Just a slightly different texture and a bit of an aftertaste.
Yeah, the aftertaste is a bit livery.
Yeah.